Coming to the religious matters, Akbar was at Fatehpur Sikri during 1570s. During the time 1570s, he was at Fatehpur Sikri. He started discussions on religion. With whom did he discuss about religion? He discussed about the Muslim religious gurus known as ulemas, the Brahmins, the Hindu religious people, Jesuit priests who are the Roman Catholic priests, and also the Zoroastrians. He gathered all these religious people and he started to have discussion with them when he was at Fatehpur Sikri in 1570s. He discussed what is a religion from different religious point of view. As the discussions took place, that place came to be known as Ibadat Khana. The place came to be known as Ibadat Khana. He was interested to know about the religion and the social customs of different people. Here, when we are using the term different people, we are talking about different faiths. Akbar's interactions with the people of different faiths made him to understand, made him to realize that religious scholars who emphasized on rituals and the dogma were often the bigots. He understood that no religion emphasizes more on the rituals or create certain dogmas. It is these bigots who create terror in the minds of the people, that creates divisions and disharmony among his own subjects. So this eventually led Akbar to start an idea that is universal peace, Sulh Kul. So he wanted to bring up the idea of tolerance of religion, no discrimination between people basing on religion in his realm. So he came up with the idea of universal peace. He also wanted to emphasize on the system of ethics, honesty, justice, peace that should be applicable universally to everyone. Due to Akbar's discussions with the different religious faiths, he came to a conclusion that the rituals which are emphasized by the teachers or religious scholars are creating divisions and disharmony amongst his own subjects. He wants to eliminate this. He wants to stop this. He wants to bring tolerance in his kingdom. He wants to have equal treatment for all religions. That's why he wants to bring emphasis on the system of ethics, honesty, justice, and peace. So he came up with the idea Sulh Kul or universal peace.